Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of This Curiously. Today, we will embark on a fascinating journey to explore liminal places, those spaces that dwell on the border between the known and the unknown. Let's discover what makes these places so intriguing and what they reveal about the diversity of our planet. The Atacama Desert, between Earth and sky. We begin our journey in the Atacama Desert, Chile. Known as the driest desert in the world, the Atacama leads us to a unique landscape where endless dunes meet the starry sky. This is a liminal place where the scarcity of life contrasts with stunning beauty, creating an environment that challenges our traditional notions of habitability. The Atacama Desert, located in northern Chile, is renowned for having one of the most beautiful and clear skies in the world. Several factors contribute to this unique feature: low humidity. The Atacama Desert is considered the driest desert globally, and low air humidity is essential for a clear sky. Humidity tends to scatter light, reducing visibility of stars and other celestial bodies. The scarcity of clouds also contributes to unobstructed visibility. High altitude. Many areas of the Atacama Desert are situated at high altitudes, reducing atmospheric density. With less atmosphere above, there is less light dispersion, resulting in darker, starry skies. Geographical location. The Atacama Desert's geographical position, far from major urban centers and significant sources of light pollution, contributes to its dark night sky. This makes the desert an ideal location for astronomical observation. Downward winds. The presence of downward winds in the mountainous areas around the desert helps dissipate humidity, keeping the air dry and transparent. Absence of atmospheric pollution. Low humidity also contributes to reduced atmospheric pollution, allowing starlight and celestial bodies' light to reach Earth with fewer obstructions. Influence of the Pacific Ocean. Despite being arid, the proximity to the Pacific Ocean plays a crucial role. The cold Humboldt Current from the Pacific brings cold, dry air to the region, contributing to atmospheric stability and low humidity. These combined factors create ideal conditions for astronomical observation, providing a spectacular nighttime scene with a deep, bright sky and a breathtaking view of the Milky Way. It's no wonder that the Atacama Desert is home to some of the world's most renowned astronomical observatories. The Intertropical Convergence Zone, the meeting of winds. The Intertropical Convergence Zone, or ITCZ, is a belt around the Earth where the trade winds of the Northern Hemisphere meet the trade winds of the Southern Hemisphere. This is a liminal place in the atmosphere where different air masses collide, creating a unique meteorological phenomenon. Discover how the ITCZ influences the climate and biodiversity in tropical regions around the globe. Rain formation. The ITCZ is known as a convergence zone, where warm, moist air masses ascend. As the warm air rises, it cools and forms moisture-laden clouds. These clouds result in frequent rains near the ITCZ, contributing to the characteristic rainy season in many tropical regions. The life cycle of plants and the availability of water for local ecosystems depend directly on these rainfall patterns. Influence on biodiversity. The climatic conditions generated by the ITCZ play a fundamental role in the biological diversity of tropical areas. The regularity of rainfall promotes lush ecosystems, such as tropical forests, where an impressive variety of plant and animal species coexist. The abundance of food resources during the rainy season favors the reproduction and survival of many species, contributing to the unique biodiversity of these regions. Marine life cycle. In addition to impacting terrestrial regions, the ITCZ also influences tropical oceans. Frequent rains can lead to the formation of less saline water areas known as low salinity zones. This, in turn, affects the behavior of ocean currents and contributes to the life cycle of various marine species. Often, the tropical waters associated with the ITCZ are nutrient-rich, promoting the proliferation of marine life. Extreme weather phenomena. The ITCZ is also associated with extreme weather phenomena, such as tropical cyclones. Low-pressure areas that form along the ITCZ can evolve into tropical storms and hurricanes, which can have significant impacts on local weather conditions and biodiversity. In summary, the Intertropical Convergence Zone plays a crucial role in regulating the climate and promoting biodiversity in tropical regions around the globe. Its influence is evident in rainfall patterns, lush ecosystems, and diverse marine life found in these areas. Hashima Island, between the past and the present. Our next stop is the mysterious Hashima Island in Japan. Once home to a thriving mining community, the island was abandoned and remains a silent witness to the past. Amongst ruins, discover how Hashima became a liminal place between history and modernity, intriguing visitors with its aura of mystery. Hashima Island, also known as Gunkanjima, meaning Battleship Island in Japanese, is a small island located off the coast of Nagasaki, Japan. The island gained fame for its densely populated urban structures and for being a significant coal mining center during Japan's industrial era. Hashima was inhabited primarily during the first half of the 20th century, but was abandoned in the mid-1970s. Several reasons contributed to the island's abandonment. Decline in the coal industry. Post-war, with the advent of more efficient energy sources and the shift to other forms of energy, the coal industry began to decline. Hashima Island, heavily reliant on coal mining, saw its economic activity gradually decrease. Resource depletion. Over decades, intensive mining led to the depletion of coal deposits on the island. With declining production and the loss of economic viability, mining operations became unsustainable. Demographic shift. With the industry's decline, many workers and their families left the island in search of economic opportunities elsewhere. Hashima's population decreased significantly over time. Environmental challenges. Besides economic challenges, prolonged exposure to the marine environment and adverse weather conditions began causing deterioration in the island's structures. Maintenance became increasingly difficult and costly. Closure of operations. In 1974, coal mining operations were officially halted on Hashima. With the industry dwindling, lack of inhabitants, and structural issues, the island was abandoned. After decades of abandonment, Hashima Island became a site of historical and touristic interest. In 2015, it was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Despite being deserted, the island continues to attract visitors seeking to understand Japan's industrial history and witness the abandoned structures that stand as a testament to a significant industrial past. And thus, we conclude our journey through liminal places, where the unexplored and the known intertwine in fascinating ways. I hope you've enjoyed this adventure and that it has further sparked your curiosity about the wonders of our planet. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more curious content like this. Until the next adventure.